Beavers are nature's incredible engineers, transforming landscapes with their remarkable skills. Watch as they expertly gnaw on wood, shaping it into the perfect building material for their dams. These structures do more than just create a cozy home, they play a vital role in our ecosystems. Beaver dams create wetlands that support hundreds of other species, from fish to birds, fostering biodiversity. Their work slows down water flow, reducing erosion and filtering pollutants, making our waterways healthier. By protecting beavers and their habitats, we ensure the survival of these essential ecosystems. Let's appreciate their hard work and commit to preserving the wetlands they create.